This quick clip explains how to buy shares of Grupo Aeroportuario del Sureste (SAB-CV) using the phrase "how to buy shares of Grupo Aeroportuario del Sureste (SAB-CV) for clarity. The company runs airport infrastructure and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ASR. This is educational content, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account, and we use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After signing up, you will typically need to verify your identity with an ID document and add funds before buying. Open the platform search field and type the ticker ASR to locate the listing. Make sure you select the result that matches Grupo Aeroportuario del Sureste (SAB-CV) on NASDAQ. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart, which helps confirm this is the correct stock. Double-check the company name and ticker before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading opens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio view, where you can monitor it. For the example link and more resources, check the description below.